Have you ever noticed this green dot at the top right corner of your phone? So it means that your device is using camera. But what if you see this dot when you are not in your camera app, but it's still there? So watch this video till the end. I'll show you how to fix it, and I'll give you some very valuable privacy tips. So there may be many reasons for this problem to appear. It may be just the background apps doing it. It may be your camera app being updated and you're not even knowing it, but it's being updated, and that's why you're seeing that green dot. Or it may be some malware which is spying on you. But anyways, if you wanna get your privacy, let's do this. Open up your settings, scroll down to your About Phone tab, then locate your software information. Now tap 7 times on the build number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter your PIN and press continue. Now let's go back and let's scroll down to the very bottom to find our developer options. Now choose your quick settings developer ties and make sure to activate sensor off. Make sure that the switch is turned on. Great. Now scroll down, open up your quick settings, and here you'll locate your developer tie, sensors off. Let's tap on it to activate it. We've got this little picture, this little icon that it's activated, and let's try opening up a camera. As you see, it's not opening up, and the same will be with the microphone. It won't work because the sensors are off. So with this on, you will know for sure that no application is talking to you, because it would be impossible. Your camera and all the other sensors are turned off. However, if you want to use it, you are to tap on this icon, open up a camera, and we've got our green dot back, as you see. But basically that's how it works. And here's a little tip. If you want to be even more private, right, you are to turn off your microphone access and geolocation. We have a video on both of that, and basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.